It's time for a new prefecture. It's time for Iwate. Solo travel has always been like a therapy for me, which is why I never overload my itinerary or rush through them. And Iwate felt like nature's therapy, especially this particular experience in Geibi Gorge. Geibi Gorge, formed by erosion of limestone layers, rightfully designated as one of the 100 most beautiful natural scenic landscapes of Japan. A leisurely boat ride down the slow flowing river, surrounded by steep cliffs of about 50 meters height, is a must. The gorge is named after one of the many fanciful rocks which is shaped like a lion's nose. The rejuvenating experience is nothing less than a therapy when the boatman sings Geibi Oiwake, a folk song, as he pushes the boat with a pole, which by the way is also made by these boatmen. Here is a small clip of this experience.
あそこの巣から出てきたトンビほらあの巣から
Let me translate the 8 lines of the boatman for you. As I push the pole of my boat on the clear water of Satetsu River, the clouds that dull my heavy heart are dispelled by the lion's snout. Come see for yourself in old Iwate, unrivaled elsewhere, the wonderful sight. Take the Ofunato line, it's not far from Ichinoseki. The song is just an invitation and nothing too deep, but the serene atmosphere created by the slow, deep vocals of the boatman, where the only other sound is that of the birds chirping and the sound of water when the boatman hits the pole in the river, makes this whole experience nothing short of a serene beauty. My heart was at peace after this visit to one of the 3 great gods of Japan. Next surprise of the day was my return trip from Geibi Kei Station, a 2-carriage Pokemon-themed train decked with Pikachu-themed seats, tickets, stuffs, and even the announcements. Next, it was time for a little village in Morioka, the capital city of Iwate, for a quick glimpse into the history of Iwate. Morioka Handmade village, where you can find all Morioka specialties starting from the traditional handmade craftsmanship which even the visitor can experience themselves, to little man-made village called the Nambu Magaria, featuring well-preserved old houses that replicates the residences of locals in Iwate about more than 2 centuries ago. To sum it up, a unique, authentic, cultural experience awaits the visitor who want a peek into the northern history of Japan. Plus, the beautiful sakura scenery was an added welcome bonus. After my most satisfying natural therapy, it was time to bid sayonara to Iwate, and now off to the next.